Hey guys, today is day one of our starting back to school. We haven't done school since November, and we are just finishing up with science. We are learning about crustaceans. I just want to show you what we're going to do today because it's pretty interesting. So first, the kids are labeling the parts of a crayfish. We already read this mini book about crustaceans. We follow the good and the beautiful science, and this is the Arthropods unit, and this is lesson number 11, which is the last lesson. So they're doing the parts of the crayfish on their paper after we have read the crustaceans mini booklet. Okay, all right, yeah, that's cool. Aaron, you did it sideways, that's good. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm reading the parts of the crayfish and they're finding them and labeling them. Alright, so I'm going to just do the last one. Abdomen. The abdomen is made of 7 jointed sections. The last section is like a fin and is called the telson. Underneath the abdomen are 5 pairs of appendages called swimmerets. They are mainly used as swimming legs, but they can also catch food. So let me write that word down, and then you can copy it onto your paper, okay? So Aaron, do you know what we're going to do next?
No.
Sit up so I can tell you. We're going to dissect a crayfish. So we got this kit off of Amazon. Carolina kits. And he doesn't want to do it. And this is the Young Scientist Crayfish Dissection Kit. So we are actually going to go outside to do this. Kaylee knows, she's done it in her science class at co-op. She's dissected it. She said it smells really bad. So we're going outside. My brave soldiers taking control.
It's really not like that.
Here, go play on the beans. Come here. Okay, so I have here your crayfish dissection paper from co-op.
You found it.
Yeah, I've had it saved. Here's our crayfish. It's sitting in this liquid.
It smells really bad.
Already? Well, let's see what the kit comes with.
No, it doesn't already smell bad. But,
it does not come with a dog leash. That's ours. Okay, so you have an antiseptic towelette. And we have our little popsicle sticks here, our little magnifying glass, tweezers.
Don't forget to walk the
surgical
crayfish.
scissors, a ruler, and a little pokey thing. And a tray. And
I got my own pokey things.
we have...
It didn't come with these. I got these.
Oh, it didn't come with those?
No.
Okay, it didn't come with these, folks. That was my deer here. And as we're doing this, Aaron, who doesn't want to dissect, he's going to make a crustacean out of clay.
Help me how to do this first part. I don't know how to make it.
So what I want you to do is read the instructions.
Okay.
And try to follow it, okay?
It's so annoying.
That's cool. Look at that. This is how our crayfish came. So see if you can see it. Okay, you guys see that?
Those rocks feel like beans.
Alright, so we have to dump this liquid in the sink and we have to rinse it out. Okay, don't let the crayfish fall.
Wait, we have the crayfish out already?
We're getting it out. You can rinse it right in the jar. Right? You do it as you want, the way you want to.
It smells really bad.
Oh, I smell it.
That's your perch. Too far.
Are we like, okay, we're looking at its dorsal surface. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so come here, Aaron, look. We're gonna locate the eyes of the crayfish. Notice that each eye is located at the end of a movable stalk. Come close, just cover your nose. No, right at the end of his stalk. His eyeballs move. See?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if we can see it. The The crayfish's body is divided into two main parts. The cephalothorax, which is what? What three parts? No, I'll go check though. But what three parts equal the cephalothorax we just did? The abdomen, the thorax, and the head.
The head too?
So we won't show you all the gross details of dissecting the crayfish, plus my camera battery is about to die. So that was a pretty cool activity that we had to do for our science unit. A great way to end off the science unit of arthropods with the good and the beautiful science. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll post her link to Jenny Phillips' website where you can check out all her science units and all of her curriculum. And we're going to just continue on dissecting and finish up the science lesson, finish up the rest of our school day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Alright, so we're going to make our crustacean crab.